In a world grappling with the growing impact of climate change, it's crucial to address the rising threats of floods, droughts, and other climate-related disasters. These events result in economic losses worth billions of dollars. Without early warnings and better preparation, the task of managing these disasters becomes even more daunting. That's where anticipatory action becomes very important. Anticipatory action, a proactive approach to disaster risk reduction, humanitarian aid, and climate change adaptation, allows us to act before crises unfold. Instead of reacting after a disaster strikes, it empowers us to take measures in advance to reduce its impact or prepare for its consequences. AWARE, or the Anticipatory Action for a Resilient Environment, the AWARE platform has been developed by the International Water Management Institute, IWMI, DMMU, and ANICIM as part of the CGIAR initiative on the Climate Resilience Program. The AWARE platform supports the transition from early warning, early action, early finance. Community engagement is pivotal. Local communities are informed, engaged, and participate in drills and awareness activities to ensure the success of early action measures. The planned early action measures are promptly implemented through coordination among governments, NGOs, CBOs, and international agencies. Ongoing monitoring and evaluation help ensure the effectiveness of early action measures and allow for adjustments as needed. After each event, a review assesses responses, identifies lessons learned, and makes improvements for future early action efforts. AWARE is already making an impact across Africa, Asia, and Central America, working in countries like Guatemala, Kenya, Morocco, Nigeria, Philippines, Rwanda, Senegal, Sri Lanka, and Zambia. AWARE aligns with the global initiative to ensure every nation has early warning systems by 2027, a goal set by the United Nations Security Council.
People need adequate warning to prepare for extreme weather events. That is why I'm calling for universal early warning coverage in the next 5 years. Early warning systems and the ability to act on them are proven lifesavers.
AWARE is not just a concept, it's a lifeline for vulnerable communities, a beacon of hope, and a testament to the power of anticipation and collective action. Together, we can build a more resilient world where disasters are met with readiness, not despair.